you in a bit. All right, yep. We have a nice looking day out here. We have a nice looking day. And how you doing over there? Looking good. Ooh, yeah, we have the ground a long ways down. Niall, our fearless leader, come on out here. Bring everybody with you, man. That's it. And Niall, you see that camera right there on that pillar? You can stop right next to that for me, okay? That'll make room for everyone as we're going outside. What do you think, Clint?
Not too bad so far. Try not to look around too much, I guess.
And take a look down there. What do you think of that view? Good. Keep going. Get those heels just over. So you're about this far now. That's good.
Is that heel?
Do we feel that edge there? It's pretty well the wildest view that you can get of this city.